4 weeks ago, we announced that we would be doing a giveaway of a microphone to celebrate 100,000 subscribers. So thank you again to everyone who has become part of this community where we learn about lighting and sound for video. We are giving away actually 2 Deity S-Mic 2 shotgun microphones with the location sound kit. That means it also comes with a Rycote shock mount, and it also comes with a furry cover so you can shoot out in the wind. Our 2 winners are Louis Magalang and Dan Smedra. So we'll go ahead and send out emails to you within the next 48 hours just to get your address where you want us to send those. And thanks to everyone for entering and becoming part of this community where we learn about lighting and sound for video. We have a couple of cool things coming up in the next few weeks. First of all, a closer look at the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. This will be mainly a look at the audio features, but also a discussion with my brother Kerry Judd, just to sort of share our impressions after working with it for a couple of months. After that, we'll also have a look at a CAME TV ring LED light. And not only is this a ring LED light, but it's also an RGB and white LED light. So it's really kind of versatile and an interesting light. And then, of course, we also have the Aputure Light Dome II and Light Dome II Mini that we need to take a look at. So we have some great things coming up. Please stick around, and we will talk to you again soon. In the meantime, get out there and make something cool.